Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to Learn English with an Englishman. My name is Ian Middleton, and I am an Englishman. Now, in today's lesson, I am going to show you the difference between go to and go in, or go into also. Now, this is often confused. Many of my students in the past have often said, for example, I'm going in Ljubljana, or I'm going in Paris this week. When what you really need to say is, I'm going to Ljubljana, or I'm going to Paris. Now, we use going to when we're not there and the place that we are going to is further away, at a distance. So we're going to it, we're going towards it, from here to there, essentially. So we can't say that we're going in it because we're far from it still. So, as an example, now these are some lovely woods here. Now I'm in Slovenia, in Ljubljana, and in Slovenia we have lots and lots of lovely forests, lovely woods. But the only problem is you have to be very careful when you're going into the woods because there are brown bears in the woods. Okay, so whenever you go into the woods, you must be very careful and very watchful, okay? So now I'm going to go to the woods. Now all the way here, you could say that I was going to the woods. Now I'm here, I'm still not actually in the woods yet, I'm just outside the woods. As you saw, when we say that we go to a place, then we go to a place that is away from where we are. As you just saw, I was going to the forest. But now I'm just outside the forest. Now I can say, I'm going in the forest. See? I'm outside, and now I am in the forest. What? Oh my God. There are two bears over there. Shh. Hey. Told you. Yeah. Oh shit. Thanks for watching. Bye.